Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to create some textures and we are going to explore material that is clay, that is plasticine clay we are going to use today. So I took one lump of clay and I tried to flat it, and after beiging it I'm trying to make a coil out of it. Then I'm going to explore that particular coil, how that particular coil is giving me opportunity to work with this clay as a material. You can see various types of forms, various types of structures can be made by this coil. You can twist it very easily. Then after that we will make a pinching technique. Now we will try a pinching technique. So by pinching, how material is giving you a good opportunity, we can see by your both fingers, by your one finger you can pinch, and like this you can make a bowl out of it. You can make a vertical structure, you can make a volume wala structure out of it, and you can make various forms. You can explore the things. Now we will try to make a slab out of it. This is a fourth technique of clay. I already explained that in my previous video. So now this is we can call it slab. You can see the how that slab is giving us opportunity to work with. You can make a various type of structure out of it. You can cut it very easily. You can twist it again. So that is very good material we are handling today. So now we will by making a slab, we will make different type of patterns, different type of structure we can make out of it. I took a print of leaves, various leaves I am trying. See. Just by crushing a paper, you can get a good textures. You can see these textures. So now I'm going to make some by using this type of techniques. I'm trying to make some product out of it. So you can mix both clay. You can get different type of colors, just like from red and white. You can get a pink. You can get marbling effect. You can just like this. This is kind of marbling effect you are getting just by adding 2-3 colors randomly and making a ball. So these are the colors we required for today's creation. We are trying to create an aquarium, homemade aquarium by clay with using different type of color clay. So just I'm making a slab, then I'm cutting that slab by different tools. You can use any type of tools, just like I have used a sketch pen here. Like this you can take different textures. Again I took a slab and I cut it, and I am trying to twist it to get a beautiful underwater elements for my today's creation. By using twisting technique, I made this blue colors. Here I took orange clay and I make a coil out of it, little bit uneven, and I just make one hole by using a tool. You can make this type of things by using this technique. Some bigger, some smaller. It should be randomly you can make it. Here also we have to apply our design principles, that is contrast, balance, and using colors accordingly. What are the colors are there in aquarium or in underwater scenario? Just like this, by using pinching and making some balls out of it, you can make very good structures just by twisting and trying to make a structure like this by coiling again. Now here I took one sphere and I make some grooves by using cutter, and I just make one hole out of it. On top of it you can make starfishes by using same technique. Textures like this which will be useful for us. You can make textures like this by using different tools. So this is also interesting part, that I took one cloth which is having a good mesh and I mix two colors and just I push that particular clay by through that cloth, so you will get very good effect. You will get interesting effect. So like this you can use any type of mesh to create this type of structure or element. See, you can see like this effect here we will get. So you can take a loop or today's element which we just made. You can have a loop. You can see the merging and blending of the colors. Here also you can see. You can see good blend of plasticine clay. Here you can see the texture. These are the all elements which we just made. So basically you can play with material, you can play with things around you. You can create your own creation by using these things. At that stage, in this stage, we are just exploring the material. Then that exploration can be helpful for us to solve different types of questions, different types of situations and tasks. After that, we will arrange that these all elements in a glass ball. So we will try to make an aquarium by using these all elements, all beautiful elements. So here first I put here what I am doing. I am analyzing that all forms visually. I am applying design principles. Contrast should be there. Balance, visual balance should be there. Basically, this composition should be very good. In your exam also, there is some part of mark that is for only this type of things to make a good composition. Here also you can see you can use sticks, long sticks to put your elements in bottom of the bowl. Sometimes it is very difficult to arrange the things, but you can see the balance of the things, then you can automatically arrange that part. I'm not randomly putting all the things there only. So you can see here also I am not putting these things very randomly, just I am seeing visual balance of it, and sometimes structural balance also, that is also important, otherwise the structure will get collapse. So gradually I am arranging. Before pasting or before putting that elements, I am thinking where I have to put, how it will look good from outside and inside both, because this is transparent wall, no, so you can see it from top view also, and from side views also you can get a very good visuals because it is already transparent. So by seeing these constructional video, you can arrange your it means your all your solutions also from like that only. Means you can make small elements, and after that you can assemble that element in big structure. Starfish, some fishes are there. I will paste that fishes at some interesting point. So now I am putting water, and I will see how it will look like. So you can see the changes of visually change of that but whole composition after putting water and before water. So you can take a zoom in look overview of that particular model. So try to explore clay at your good extent. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
If you're looking at getting an admission in NID, then join Avail Design Studio, India's #1 design entrance exam coaching institute. BRDS has the highest number of selection in NID as compared to any other institute in the country. And you can also get a prize money worth 1 crore if you end up proving that any other institute has more results as compared to BRDS. And for more details, you can call on the following number, which is 98250 57598, or you can log on to www.rathordesign.com.